How to enable gaming mode in iPhone. If you are an avid gamer, you might want to optimize your iPhone's performance for gaming to get the best experience possible. By enabling gaming mode, you can improve the device's performance, battery life, and reduce distractions while gaming. So let's get started. First, go to the control center on your iPhone. Tap on focus mode. Now tap on the plus icon. You can also go there from the settings app. Go to settings. Tap on focus. Now tap on the plus icon from the top right corner. Now select the gaming profile. Then press next. Now choose the people you want notifications from when this focus is on. You can also tap on this. This option allows incoming calls from only the contacts you add to the focus and your favorites. Then tap done. Now choose the apps you want notifications from when this focus is on. Tap on allow only time sensitive. Now turn on gaming focus. Done. Your gaming focus is ready. Tap done to finish. You can also delete focus by tapping here. Now go to control center. Tap on focus. Then select gaming. That's it. Enabling gaming mode on your iPhone is quite simple and can greatly enhance your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can reduce distractions and improve battery life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.